Hello everyone, I have beautiful friends. What is your name?
My name is Gian. I am Nika.
Wow, Nika. You are so very beautiful.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
We are from Tinago.
Sinago. So by the way, where are you going?
We are going to church.
For Nika.
Because Mother's Day.
Yeah, it's Mother's Day today.
Yeah.
So you're finished to greet your mother?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So where is your mother now?
My mom is in heaven. She
Passed away?
since 2023.
Oh, what happened?
It's because of cancer.
Cancer. Oh, I'm so sorry about your
It's
mother.
okay.
How about you,
My
Nika?
mother is in the house cleaning.
Okay. So this is your house here?
Yes.
So how many years you're living here?
See, since 17 years.
17 years? Oh, it's very long time. So your father is still alive?
Yes.
Then what is your job, your father?
Construction worker.
Then how about you? We don't have your father? So you have solo?
Yes, mother.
Are you only mother? Your mother is single or is married already?
Single mom.
Wow. So by the way, how many siblings do you have?
And 4.
4? You are the?
The third.
The third. So you're being because your mother is a single, you're being we don't have father. How's your feeling?
Okay, rate nakayaran. Like, maka-proud kayo kay nakayaran
Sa imong mama. You're very proud your mother, right? And then because you are being single beautiful girl, what is your planning about your life?
My planning in my life, I would be a strong girl and I would be manikamot ko for myself.
Wow.
I'm gonna stand by myself even if na akong papa to provide us, but I want to help him for our financial and our bills para po dili namin magsalig. Kay dili man sa tanang panahon mabuhi ang papa.
That's correct.
So we need to sacrifice sa bata pa, then we need to stand by ourselves kay dili sa tanang panahon na sila sa tungkol.
That's right. You are very matured, right?
So, kuan po sa ako ang
How about you?
Kuan, manikamot sa kuan family para po kami na po magbawi one day.
Yeah.
Dili man sa kuan nga winong nga kapoy nakaayo sila karon like sila kay napod sila kuan na mo pagsalig nga makagraduate mi pun kay kami kay sila na pud ang mutabang namo sa ilahang position te mo na ilang pagtuon namo, so manikamot ni para na pud kami na pud ang malaga nila one day.
Yeah, because you know what, your parent is proud with you. Because you know, some young lady he don't thinking about that, right?
Mga kuan na like wala pud sa guys like swerte ra jud kayo mi diri sa world like napoy uban nga wala nag-eskwela. Wala gipasagan sa mga parents like
That's correct.
Ay napa kong mama.
Oo.
Okay, kuan nagud ko think nagud ko about anang dapat maningkamot ko kay I know nga someday mawala jud ang parents. Then someday pod kita na po'y maingana like burag kuan ba kanang fast forward ra.
Oo, pass forward. That's correct. And then your house here is for government?
Yes.
So but how many years the government so get free for here?
Kuan na long year na.
Long year.
So
So
ato ba naay kuan naay ilang
Quota?
meeting, like
Something?
147 bingana.
what is the what
What is 47?
Oo.
Kuan kanang like walaon na mi dira ante gather mo ato na mi sa balino ni sa kuan nga place day para
So he have a preparing
place.
places about the
Yes.
squatter area.
And then they planning to kuan mimo na siya Boulevard dira.
Boulevard.
Sa Boulevard. Pero dili wala man ni sagot ang mga parents like dili sila kay
Diri-
Search and dirty like kanang amo ang paningkamot po nila kay nakakwarta mi tungod ra pud sa pangista. Kanira pud
kanira
Pud nga
po.
na nagparil dira para dili na showing kayo ako pa.
So very, your father is very long time to living here. So the city he gave for the house for the poor people. Wow. So because you know over there he have some like that, right?
Yes,
Look, and then some people, the government, to get another places to transfer. So good for you because you're thinking about what is your future because your father is compared what is job?
Construction worker.
Construction worker. Your mother vendors here in Changi. So I think you're looking for foreigner because your mother is, you know, you help your family
But we are not planning for that.
because
My
you're
mother is planning for that. Mama din. Yeah, our parents.
Naiplano yung mama.
That is mama.
Oo, because you know what happened the future if we have a good man. So you know, this is I have somebody. So Nick Gian. So Gian is very beautiful. This is the life story about for the future. So what is the biggest experience your life being living here is very hard to get money. What is your
My experience why I are living there. Kay kanang
mostly have typhoon?
yeah, we experienced that. The typhoon.
Remember that? Oo.
The bagyong Yolanda.
Yeah, Yolanda.
Then we experienced that nga. Dagan kayong nasapay. Suffer good kayo niya to.
Okay,
Sa trouble.
Wala ganing dagat is napa na siya dito before din kanang musulod gid
Ah, dili pa lang
mga
eh.
balay.
Oo, because before the kanina si for over the ride. Oo,
So,
so
ana pa na siya dito. Like, for
Dalong di siya diri yung dapita.
so this is very hard.
yes, we are in trouble good ato ante. Then, we sacrifice good ato. Napa kong mama ato. Then, kanang ilagod nanikamot gud sila nga dili may makuan sa lantanan. Then, naami sa evacuation
Okay,
center which is sa gym.
Oo.
Then,
Mas siya daman jud ikon biti kanang squatter yung balay kita banganay ba.
some people called us Swami girl.
Yeah, because you know a lot of people before his panic.
Yes.
Because he said that they have a tsunami.
Yes.
Oo. And then for me before, I'm scared that because my son was young before and then I panic so to running around going to he said in the mountain.
But I thought dili na siya may taboy because
Thankful ra pud
doon man tag bukid good.
Oo, but I'm so scared about that. Because you know that tsunami is very
Nataboy di na siya makako. Di na malikayan.
So now, because you have a very close neighbor here, right?
Yes.
And then it's not very noisy.
Noisy.
Give some
Pero okay ra kay
Sometimes.
budget ang balay kay soldool.
But it's so kuan rate. We are lucky nga naami di aga puyo it because gathering
Unang
kita na
dili
we are helping each other.
It's helping each other. Wow. Your father from where the province?
My father is from Dawit.
Dawin your father.
But my mom,
Your mother is from here.
ako kay papa.
Judy, your father is from here. And your mother is what is that? Selling here in the boulevard. So how many years to selling here?
Not in Boulevard, in the
In the market? What is selling that?
kuan like ang ako na gulay.
Vegetable. So then every day selling your mother.
Pero if night time ka po yun siya kay dili ra pud siya.
So he want to day
Paway
off, rest. Then the big house was the owner dog. Is that you?
That's apartment ate.
This is apartment. Really, where is your house? There?
There
Kuan
dito
ra gamay ra kayo ang balay.
But my house same.
proud ra pud
But I'm so proud.
Oh, very important you have a good heart. It's not important what is your bigger. Our house is so bigger because what happened, your attitude is very bad, right? Oo. Look at you. You are very friendly, right? So I wanna invite you. Where if I going over there, how to walk?
Just walk there, then
Left, right?
yeah, do you see that light? Nara ka then you just ask someone na ilang may doon kayo kay front naman sila.
So we don't have dog over
Someone or
there.
dinner.
We don't have dog.
Wala, no? Dili ko sa sa mo.
Because I'm scared about about marking. I'm scared about the. So thank you for sharing story, Gian and Nika.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.